Dean D. Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com. Good evening, everybody. Taking a look first at your severe weather outlook coming up for the next few days. First, let's take a look at tomorrow. We're going to have an interesting area from Detroit, Wisconsin, Omaha, Des Moines, Iowa, Chicago, Illinois. These areas could be getting some high winds and hail as your main threat, but we also may see some isolated tornadoes in the area, as the jet's going to stay pretty much north of the area. Into Monday, you can see we have an area out in the mid-plains, upper plains, that may be getting some severe weather, high winds, hail, and tornadoes possible. The jet stream will come down into this area, so it would be more likely to get actual tornadic development on Monday in the Midwest. We'll have to see how it all comes together. But this is just information as of right now for your severe weather outlook. Let's take a look at today's storm reports. Not a whole lot of reports, but you can see of two of note in Minnesota for tornadoes. So you would definitely, and we also had some tornado reports in Florida. I'm thinking they may be EF0s. One is, so yeah, EF0 is mainly what they were along Florida, along the coast, along the sea breeze front. A lot of interaction changing with height with the sea breeze. I did a report on that a while ago, and I'm going to share that with you at some point in the near future. My thoughts on what the sea breeze brings to the table for severe weather. We got a few features in tropics. We're going to stick with, let Bob do the full tropical update, but this is just an update here. We have a low area that if that gets back out into the Gulf of Mexico could be an interesting thing. And we have a higher risk out here. This is pretty far north. This may follow the same path as Colin. A higher risk area out here between the two Chatham Islands, Cape Verdes, and the Antilles. And we got Colin, which is moving so slow at this point near Bermuda. So slow that it may even be tomorrow evening before we see it go starting past Bermuda. It's just be a tropical storm throughout and then turn extra tropical as it goes to the north. That's one entity. We're going to go to the satellite picture now. Take a look at the other entity. So here we have Colin. It looks like it's really dying off too. You got two upper level lows kind of squeeze playing this really bad right now. And you have the next feature out here in the Atlantic. It looks like it has some pretty good outflow, but it's still it's near a upper level low, and it's gonna be hard to develop this really strong with these upper level low systems that are forming in these areas. There's a bunch of them. Here's one in Texas that may prohibit this one further over in the Yucatan from even developing. So something to watch though. Bob will have the latest update, I'm sure, in the morning with your tropics. Here we go again, Roanoke. Heat wave time again. We got 63 tonight, 89, the last cool day you're going to have for a while. 68 on Sunday, 92 starting the heat wave on Monday, patchy fog Sunday night into Monday, 70 at Monday night, 96 on Tuesday, 97 on Wednesday, 98 on Thursday, looking to go into Friday with this heat wave before it breaks. So it's going to be hot for sure. So stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com for the latest on this heat, the tropics, and severe weather. This is Dean D. Davison with the Live Weather Blogs Overnight Edition. Have a great evening.